Subscribe my channel for more videos. Hear birds start days with feed. In the quiet corner of nature, where the earth rests and the air feels pure, a simple yet beautiful scene unfolds. Birds gather gently, sharing food, space, and peace. There is no rush here, no competition. Only the soft rhythm of life moving naturally. The ground beneath them tells stories of seasons past, while the trees and walls stand, their tiny movements full of curiosity and trust. Each bird plays its part in this peaceful gathering, reminding us how nature thrives through balance and coexistence. No one claims ownership, and no one is left behind. This is nature's quiet lesson in sharing. The sparrows, alert yet relaxed, observe their surroundings while enjoying the simple gift of food. Their feathers catch the light softly, blending perfectly with the earthy tones of the ground. Nearby, greenery breathes life into the scene, adding freshness and color. Leaves sway gently, moved by a light breeze, as if nature itself is watching over this calm moment. In a world filled with noise and speed, scenes like this slow our thoughts, but from appreciating what is already present. These birds do not worry about tomorrow. They live fully in the moment, guided by instinct and trust in nature. The hen stands strong yet gentle, showing no fear of the smaller birds around her. This quiet acceptance creates a space where everyone feels safe. It reflects how nature teaches harmony without words. There is beauty in simplicity and power in calmness. As time passes, the scene remains steady and soothing. The soft sounds of pecking, wings fluttering, and distant nature form a natural melody. This moment does not need music or words. Let this scene be a reminder to slow down. Let the calm energy of birds and nature bring rest to your mind. In these small moments, life feels complete, balanced, and beautifully alive. Take a deep breath and let the gentle sounds of nature guide you to a place of calm. Listen closely to the soft chirping of birds as they hop from branch to branch, their melodies weaving a peaceful rhythm that eases your mind. The leaves sway gently in the breeze, creating a soothing whisper that blends with the warm sunlight filtering through the trees, This moment is yours, filled with serenity, focus, and the gentle energy of life all around. Nature has a gentle way of calming the human heart. In the quiet presence of trees, open skies, and soft earth, the mind slowly begins to relax. Birds move freely through this peaceful world, reminding us of a life lived without hurry. Their songs rise and fall with the breeze, creating a natural melody that brings comfort and balance to their soul. As the morning light touches the leaves, birds gather calmly, hopping from branch to branch. There is no rush, no noise, only harmony. Thank you for watching. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions help our channel grow.